we'll guide you through how to set up Namecheap email. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to namecheap.com. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard and select the domain you want to set up email for. Click on the Manage button next to your domain. On the Domain Management page, find the Advanced DNS tab and click it. Scroll down to the Mail Settings section and select Custom MX from the drop-down menu. You need to enter the mail exchange records provided by your email hosting provider. If you're using Namecheap's email hosting, you can find these records in the Namecheap email settings. Enter the MX records as instructed, and make sure to set the priority as specified. After adding the MX records, go to the Email Forwarding tab if you want to forward emails to another address. Here, you can create a forwarding rule by entering the email address you want to forward from and the destination email address. Make sure to save your changes. Now, click on the Dashboard tab again and select Email from the left-hand menu. If you're using Namecheap's private email service, click on Manage next to the email plan you've purchased. This will take you to the email management interface. From here, you can create new email accounts by clicking Add User and filling in the necessary details. Once you've created your email account, you can access your email by going to privateemail.com and logging in with your new credentials. That's it. You're all set up to send and receive emails using your Namecheap domain. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.